Northeast ISD is home to nearly 68,000 students and more than 8,000 employees. 4,000 of those employees are teachers. The school district was founded in 1955 and now encompasses 144 square miles in north central and northeast Bexar County. NEISD is the second largest school district in San Antonio and the 8th largest district in Texas. Over the past 60 years, NEISD has expanded from a handful of schools to 68 campuses, 12 magnet programs, and 8 alternative schools and programs. NEISD also has its own police department to ensure the safety of students and employees. NEISD has a history of successfully utilizing bond programs to build and improve the facilities in our district. Here's a look at the NEISD bond programs from the past 20 years. The Construction Management and Engineering Department at NEISD works to create educational environments that promote exemplary student achievement. Its mission is cost-effective and innovative facility designs. Teams are currently completing construction for the 2011 bond program at several campuses, including Coker Elementary School, Garner Middle School, and Lee High School. Crews have completed the construction of the new David Lee Tex Hill Middle School, along with the gym floor upgrades and playground sunshades at NEISD campuses. The 2015 bond program addresses the current and future needs throughout the district. NEISD has engaged in a long process to gather information from our school leaders, teachers, students, and community members to find out what schools need to continue to meet students' educational needs. Through data collection, Northeast ISD evaluated the district's future facility and infrastructure priorities. The facility planning process began with a comprehensive facility needs survey completed by principals and district staff in November and December 2014. Thousands of parents, students, employees, and taxpayers also completed an online survey during January and February 2015. A 36-member facility steering committee of parents and community members representing all high school attendance areas guided the planning process from March to June 2015. The facility steering committee reviewed the information collected in the surveys to prioritize the projects. Additionally, NEISD hosted several community meetings in March, April, and May to share those results and get feedback. The community provided input through questions, text messages, phone calls, and emails to shape the plans for the bond program. In August, the NEISD School Board voted unanimously to approve the recommendation for a $499.95 million bond program to be placed on the ballot for November 3rd. This bond will not increase the tax rate for at least 5 years. NEISD has condensed the projects into 5 project categories: safety and security, technology, operations, extracurricular, and facilities. Safety and security. The safety and security category addresses needs such as improved physical access control to school facilities, improved video surveillance cameras, and fire alarm systems. This amounts to $20 million of the bond. More than 80% of that budget would bolster campus safety and security measures at campuses. It would replace folding accordion partitions with new partitions or permanent walls at 12 elementary schools and 2 middle schools. It also creates security check-in vestibules to make sure visitors check in at the main office before entering a campus. It adds keyless access controls to all district campuses, video surveillance cameras, and upgrades campus fire alarms and school intercoms. It also adds parking lot lighting and interior security nightlight upgrades at entry points of selected campuses. The safety and security budget also provides upgrades at the Northeast Police Department to improve its central command facilities. Technology. The 2015 bond includes the largest technology budget of any NEISD bond program. The total technology category is just over $72 million. It would improve technology access and use district-wide for students, employees, and visitors. Part of the money upgrades instructional technology found in classrooms. A large portion of the budget addresses upgrades to the existing network infrastructure. Classroom technology would be upgraded. Student and staff computers would be upgraded. Campus large volume copiers would be replaced. Digital and print media for library services is also included in the bond. The largest project in the technology category expands the wireless networks utilized by a majority of the district-issue instructional technology devices. Operations. The district operations category allocates $60 million for necessary improvements across the district. NEISD schools will receive upgrades to mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, athletic fields, tracks and tennis courts, and parking lots and drop-off and pickup lanes. The 2015 bond would also continue the district's roof maintenance and replacement program. With about 11 million square feet of roofing, the district developed a maintenance and replacement schedule that has been funded over multiple bond programs. The 7 competitive football fields at each comprehensive high school would be replaced with artificial turf. That would eliminate the need for mowing, fertilization, and watering. The bond includes resurfacing the high school tracks and includes upgrading the 14 middle school tracks from cinder tracks to artificial all-weather tracks. The budget also provides more than $6 million for kitchen facility and equipment upgrades and close to $7 million to replace the buses that transport students to and from school. Extracurricular. The extracurricular category supports the district's athletics, fine arts, and JROTC programs. This category addresses a need to upgrade the 2 district pools used by all 7 high schools. The bond includes plans for an additional pool to support the practice schedules of the swimming and diving programs. The bond includes replacing the 60-year-old bleachers at Comalander Stadium. The stadium restrooms on both sides of the field and the dressing rooms would also be updated. This category includes upgrades at the Blossom Athletic Center tennis courts, expansion of the band halls at Churchill, Johnson, and Reagan High Schools, and renovate the fine arts facilities at MacArthur High School. Nimitz Middle School would receive a new band hall and choir facility. Bradley Middle School's band facility would be replaced and expanded. Reagan would receive a new JROTC facility. Madison's JROTC facilities would be renovated. The total budget for the extracurricular category is close to $90 million. District facilities. This is the largest category of the bond program at nearly $226 million. The district facilities program category includes a wide range of facility needs not covered in other categories, like replacing portable classroom buildings and campus facility renovations. The Regency Place Elementary School Portable Replacement Program is budgeted for $20 million. This campus has the most portable classrooms of any campus in NEISD. The bond also provides for Phase 1 of the Jackson and Kruger Middle School campus replacement plans to address these 2 campuses that are 45 and 53 years old. It also accounts for Phase 4 of the Garner Middle School replacement plan and Phase 6 of Churchill High School's plan. Facilities at Eisenhower Middle School, Bradley Middle School, and Hidden Forest, Montgomery, and Northern Hills Elementary Schools are included in this category as well. The facilities category includes money for a new Lee High School Fine Arts Center that would also be used by the Northeast School of the Arts. Elementary school walking tracks are also included that will be available for community use. Here's how the proposed $499.95 million bond program would work. We anticipate that this bond would not require a tax rate increase for the next 5 years. When schools borrow money through a bond program, that money can be used to purchase land, buy or construct buildings, expand or renovate existing facilities, add school buses or technology. The money cannot be used for salaries, consumable supplies, utilities, routine business maintenance, or any day-to-day cost of running the district. The money comes from the property taxpayers who live within the Northeast ISD boundaries. There are 2 taxes that fund the school district. The first is the Maintenance and Operations Tax, which funds the day-to-day operations of the school district, including salaries and supplies. The Debt Service Fund is the interest and sinking tax rate that can only be used to pay for debt incurred for new construction, capital, and technology. Again, we anticipate this $499.95 million bond would not increase the tax rate for the next 5 years. Another important piece is that the bond programs do not affect senior citizens 65 years or older who have their property taxes frozen, or certain disabled veterans who are 100% exempt from property taxes. For more bond facts, go to www.neisd.net. There you can find a complete list of the projects and costs for each. Early voting runs from October 19th through October 30th. Election Day is November 3rd. Please vote.